Okay, this is the first investment video. I'm gonna try to do at least one of these a week about investing into the stock market. Um, the first thing I want to let people know is that I do my own investments. I don't go through any brokers or anything like that. No Bernie Madoffs. I do my own research. I do my own investments. I do everything on my own. Gather my own information, everything. Um, the reason I do that is because I just like to know what's going on. It just makes sense to know what's going on with your money. Um, so the first question is, how do you get into the stock market? Um, well, what I do, I use Ameritrade. They also have E-Trade, and they have various other companies that do online investment. In the description of this description of this video, I'm sorry, I have my email, and if you're interested, then I can send you an invite um, to Ameritrade. And one of the reasons I send you an invite because I get paid $50 for everybody I refer, which I would only turn into a further bigger investment. But anyway, I'm just being nice. Um, so you open an account. The minimum amount for an account is $500, which is a minimum investment, and you control your entire investments. Unlike a 401k where they do what they want to do with your money, you select what you want to do or what you choose to do with your investment. Um, I would suggest more than $500, but if you don't have, $500 what you had, that's a good start. Um, the main thing is like I know people's mentality is like they give somebody something, they want something back. Um, the only way to create wealth is for your money to create money for you. Um, with that being said, I'll give you a simple mathematical formula. Let's say you make a $1,000 investment into a stock. That particular stock might make you $5. We'll say $5 a day. So $5 a day. The market is open 5 days a week, which is Monday through Friday. Um, it opens at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, and it closes at 5. Yeah, 5 Eastern Standard Time. Um, so it's 5 days that it's open. So at $5, that's $25 a week. $25 a week, it's $100 a month. So, and this is like low growth. Like I do a lot better than that. But every month you're making $100. Over a year's time, that $1,000 investment would have accumulated another $1,200, which now at the end of the year your money's worth $2,200. Um, and it goes so far and so forth. If we take it a step further and turn that investment into a $10,000 investment, then that $5 now becomes $50. $50 a week, or $50 per day over a week. That's $250 per week now. $250 a week is now $1,000 a month. So now your investment over a year's time becomes $12,000 plus your initial $10,000 investment, which gives you 22.5. I'm sorry, $22,000. I'm sorry, which is good. The basic thing, because I'm not probably going to tell you nothing new, is that money creates more money. This is why people send their money to the stock market because the rate of return is a lot more than in the bank. Putting your money in the bank, you're not even seeing 1% of your money. So you may have 100,000 in the bank, but it's not doing anything. The 100,000 in the stock market, you can make 12,000 dollars easily, probably a month. Off 100,000 invested in the stock market as opposed to being in the bank. Um, as far as people having like money in shoe boxes and this stuff that's in rap videos, that would make you a complete idiot if you have your money sitting in the shoebox, not generating any type of income. Um, the smartest thing to do is to invest in the stock market, get a high rate of return. Um, the next question is probably like, how do you select the stocks? Well, you have to do research. What I'll do is I'll get one stock that I invest in, which is Sprint. The reason I invested in Sprint was because within 2 weeks they'll be getting the iPhone prepaid. Sprint has subsidiaries that they own um, that will be getting the iPhone, and they have plans that are $50 a month um, for data, unlimited talking, and unlimited texting. I pay $150 a month. So it just made sense to me, business sense, to say, oh, that might be a good, um, it might make Sprint a lot of money. So I then went and I bought Sprint stock. Sprint at the time that I bought it was $2.25 a share. As it stands today, it's at $3.10, I believe. Um, which is that's great. I've done very well with Sprint. Um, so the thing you want to do is you want to find a company that you believe in and look and see what the growth of that company is, what they're working on. When you you do your research, like when you join something like Ameritrade, they'll have like little news feeds on there, and they'll let you know what different businesses are doing, what's their profit, what's the growth. You can go back and look at your charts, which I'll deal with on the second video, but you can look at the charts and see the growth over anywhere from a week to a month, to a 3 month period, 6 month period, a year, 2 years, 5 years, 10, 20 years. So you can actually sit back and look at the growth and kind of get an estimate of between the news that you're getting, information that you're getting, and then looking at the charts. You should be able to determine if this is going to be a worthwhile investment. um, that's basically how I choose some of my stock. Um, I'm gonna kind of wrap up the video because I don't want to be too long on the first one, and I want people to like actually ask questions and things like that, and I can address them as the videos go on. But my main thing that I want to say is that the stock market is safe. It's a great place to have your money. The great thing about the stock market is every day you can get up and you can see your money grow. So I can get up in the morning and I can say, oh, I'm at $40 and I just got out my bed. Or I might not have did nothing all day, but I can look at my numbers and see that I might have made $50 to $100 that day. Um, I don't know about you, but I like seeing money pile up. That's what I like to see. Um, so what I'll do in my description, I'm going to put um, my email address, um, and my Facebook information or whatever. Anybody that has any questions that you would like for me to answer on the next video, I will gladly answer them. Um, if you have any questions that you need answered immediately, you can email me and I'll answer them for you. But I'm here to give you guys free advice on what you need to do to get into the stock market. But if you plan on having any type of wealth, you have to get into the stock market. Trust me. Thank you, and every father have a great Father's Day weekend. And everybody, goodbye. God bless.